Mm. Mm. Okay, compiling shaders. 10 remaining. Yes. What's this? Well, I haven't seen this. Oh my god. I am using Blender 4.2 now. Did they change the mapping keyword? Where is the light? Okay. There's like E. What's this? Uh, okay. Let's try inset. Now, let's try fill. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Okay. Let's try an inset. Over here. Okay. It's happening. It seems like it becomes slower, this Blender 4.2. Yes, good. Oh, music battle, I should have to fuck. I'm not sure if this has the material. Oh my god. This thing updated on its own. So this is like reflects. Oh my god. Okay, I need to reproduce this. Okay. If you know how to export this material in particular, uh, please let me know in the comments so I can avoid doing things over and over again. I need two color ramps and a bump. Well, let's start right here. And the texture coordinates. Let's put this thing like this. Mapping. Marriage mapping is a vector. Nice texture. Two of these. I'm smiling because I was able to get to know Blender, which I wanted to do for a long time, like more than a decade. I'm very happy with the results I have achieved in my life. I I am all about learning and knowledge and sharing, inviting people to to try. And it's all about at first you are only mimicking what others are doing. It's good to learn the principles if you can afford it. But still, the brain, even if you're seeing lots of examples, at the end, the brain will transform, will come up with transforming lots of examples into something new. Mm, fact vector. Okay, now we need the color runs. Yes. Where are these converters? Color run. We need two. We need a bomb. I'm really enjoying this session. I need to just synthesize one lecture called Programming is parentheses should be fun. And I need to, and it was good to see that, to remember myself what programming is about, computer programming, the joy of programming, someone will say. But now that I'm feeling this good, good feels, a good feeling, this happiness with this blender, because I haven't opened Blender in a month. Perhaps that's the reason. If you are, and I was reading this magazine, Guitarra Total, Total Guitar in English, and in one of the issues of the magazine, there was an advice to stop playing the guitar, perhaps even for a week, if you are like really burned out or bored. I don't know. You feel like I don't know, but I think a week is too much. Perhaps 2 days will do it for you. Because if you wait that long, you will need to regain lots of stuff, lots of improve, lots of sharpness in your skills, which you see at the beginning when I opened Blender. I wasn't able to know what to do with this circle. I was extruding the edges, thinking that I can do that. But the thing is that I first needed to feel the face of the circle, and then open up this little thing over here. I suppose with music and guitar it's the same. I, stop like 2 days and then come back with more energy. And programming, I was how how can I feel this way with programming? Hmm. I will say that, and it's hard, at least in what I see in programming these days. Lots of tools, lots of information, and everybody saying, "Here's the last thing. You should know this. Don't listen. You don't need to know anything. That you just need to go back to the basics and watch how people in the past accomplished big things on their, their capacity, and you can build whatever you want to build." I saw the other day some post about a 7-year old kid doing a website only with HTML and CSS. So, probably having lots of fun in the process. So yeah, I am trying to reconnect my brain and say, well, I don't need all of this. I just need one programming language and some basics on computer revisit because I have a training on computer science. Revisiting some topics on mathematics because I like it. It is not necessary, believe me, if you want to engineer something these days. You can take a lot of pieces, even ask some tools to generate it for you, and you can assemble those pieces. But um, if you are into computer science and building systems software, you will have to know a little bit of mathematics. As Leslie Lamport says, only high school mathematics that one tends to forget once you are out of the school. I don't know why. They are very useful, believe me. Just in here, you need to know at least the basic of rotations on the angles. Yeah, let us stop talking and continue because this will be a very short. We will always have one view. This is great. At least one person is interested in what we are saying. That's cool because even if you want to change the world, or even if you don't do it, at least you can impact in a positive way the life of even a single person. That's the world uh, for you to accomplish, and lots of people have impacted me in a positive way. So my intention is to share, and even if this person that is always coming over here, or maybe it's a bot, like uh, just checking some connection, like when you are doing microservices, some health services that are always pinging your microservice. See if it is up and running. Where are we? We need to connect this to uh, with haste. Oh my god, haste normal with normal. The end. Okay, this will be over here. Now I need some colors on this Saturn planet. So yeah, how can I feel again this way in computer programming? I suppose I will get rid of everything and think as I was thinking 20 years ago, in which I didn't know too many things and didn't have access to too much information available. The internet that was already there, but I didn't know what to look for. Mm, I was just spending time with a very small subset of information. I suppose that's the key for me to be able to focus and specialize. But I don't know if I want to specialize. But for example, in 2003, I was just reading books, not mathematical books, not of mathematics, but these literary masterpieces from the past, and some other modern books. Well, from this contemporary era, and I didn't have access to the internet, and I was just reading the book and listening to music, and I was having a great time, the time of my life. So, and these days I understand a little bit of mathematics. I am able to appreciate mathematics a little bit more. And I was thinking, what if I know how I have these books 20 years ago, you know? So I think that's the secret for me, just to forget about everything and uh, really spend the time just in one thing. But it's hard to decide which that will be. At the same time, I am unemployed and I am in the urgency of generating an income. I need to come up with ideas of products for me to sell to the people. So that is also a problem that I need to solve. Let's come back to the escape because perhaps this is an escape of the real situation that I am. Saturn planet X colors. Look at this. You have these tools and don't feel bad. Perhaps you have some of this search engine which was invented by two guys, Sergey Brin and Larry Page. But those guys were to study to the Stanford University in a point of time in which perhaps they did receive as Steve Jobs said, like great education, great access to the best instructors. But they are not to blame. they, they took their opportunity and come up with this. A lot of people go to Stanford University and don't come up with a product like Google. So it is several things. But let's suppose you didn't, like you didn't went to Stanford University, but these days we have these websites, edX, that offers that kind of training. You know, look at this. This is from Harvard, CACS. And at this point of time, these universities, I don't know, they have been exposed in several ways. But let us focus on education. Uh, and this one, in particular, CS50 by Dave Malan, is a great introduction to computer science. They also have in here one by what happened by the MIT computer science and programming using Python. They need to improve their search capabilities because look at I want now I need to click perhaps. Let's look for the instructor. Give me some. This thing working? I don't know. Oh my god. Let's look for the this thing. Unbelievable. This is the second part, which I am yet to. Which, by the way, is very expensive for the region I am located, South Mexico. For me, this is very expensive. I can't afford it right now. Lots of students won't be able, but they have a free version. You can audit the course, and oh, this is for the two. Look at this is the one I was looking for. 9 weeks. Yeah, this is free. Well, you don't have access to the this one. People these days can perhaps make an effort and pay for the certificate, which includes access to the exams, the intermediate, and the final exam. Look at this. This is about $100, but this is like the best instruction you can ask. Well, back to the topic. Even if at this point of time you have this platform which you can get a lot of. Look at this. They also have both, you know. Now you can have this education. Back to the thing. So yeah, these days I suppose it's all about focusing, trying to build something. I've been talking. This should be called Blender or spending time with Blender. I suppose this title should be more accurately let this guy talk and do nothing. Let's watch this guy longing for Saturn monarch. Which one should be using? Since this is this little character over here is for uh, like a story that I'm trying to tell. So this shouldn't be like accurate. I will be using some nonsense colors. So this looks great. And I will be using this and this FFBB 57. Okay, so here it is. We need three colors over here. Let's start with this FFBB 57, which reminds me this notation reminds me that some months ago, I started to read a book on computer systems that I yet again didn't finish. Why? Because I have too many books. And in the past, even when I grew up surrounded by books, when I was in university, I just take with me a couple of books, one book. So I concentrated on finishing that book. Perhaps I didn't aspire to anything in the past. So I was just living the days without any goal. Yeah, that's most likely. I didn't have any goal, and I was just living, you know, and part of my activities, to since I wasn't into at the beginning into partying, in the night I was just reading books. Yeah, now I started to see how can I bring that part of my life back. But we need some goals in life, I suppose. I'm not sure. Let's continue. And let's bring another of these things. Okay, we were able to remember. Control and click, right click, and you will get one of these. Uh, which will FFDB 71. What happened? What will happen with that book? I will continue to read it, but I don't know when. Now DB database, I have yet another ongoing series. Well, I stopped doing that. because it was a short series of videos. But I am regaining some. Uh, I look, I like information. I see these things. This is an X color, but I was able to see this DB inside, like everyone, like most of you. But this reminded me that I need to continue with so the sequel skills that I did have in the past. Okay, we need the black color over here. I know that one. And you can, just slide this thing. It will be too yellow, not yellowish. And in here we need black over here. Most likely we will change these colors. I like Saturdays because I just stop normal to normal. Oh, we need to refine this. Look at this. Color to roughness and color to base color. We have our planet, golden planet. We will change the color. I don't feel like 0.41. 14.7, 147. Oh yeah, I forgot the point. Oh, these little fellows. 0.87 darkness. Scale detail 18. Scale 2. Optimize 0.7. 0.260. Yes. No, I don't like this. Maybe, yeah. Look at this. Seems like a wood planet. Perhaps this will make it. I don't know. Let's try another. Let's try C6, A, by C6, A, by five, C6, A, by A. Perhaps that one? Yeah, I like it. So we have our planet made of wood. Going to call this Saturn. Where is this life happening? Let us see the time. 15 minutes. 50 minutes. I will do this very quickly because 1 hour for this almost nothing. But the whole intention was just to model this planet. Then I will model a book offline because I wanted to do it that way. I want to do it that way because I don't know. And then what? Yeah, then this little character will be reading the book and sitting over here. Where's the camera? Okay, playing this game. It's too big. The planet is too big. We were playing with the camera, making close-ups and some sort of transitions. So yeah, this little character will be sitting over here reading a book, which will be kind of hard, doing that animation, but maybe. I'm not sure. It's in my mind already. Uh, uh, a voice reading these little pieces of information that I am publishing here and there in LinkedIn, my website, on YouTube posts, and at least two of those videos will be made. I will in this fashion, in this presentation, and then perhaps I will embark in trying to uh, export this character, which has been hard, and import it on Unreal Engine, or I don't know, but I want to give an interactive experience on people moving this character and finding these little pieces of information. And if you find one, then this will play for you in the game. So originally, this character is not. It wasn't the intention to be some kind of a hero, but I don't have time to model any other characters, so you will have to play, yeah, move this character along a world. Maybe some other, I don't know, maybe an animal running and then this lady coming up from time to time. I don't know. Now this thing, what can we do with this? I think I will use solid colors in here because I want to. Oh my God, 1 hour! I want to read for you the English book that we do on Saturdays. English grammar. Saturdays is for me to share with you, just like I share my experience from 21 years ago, 20 years ago that I was doing. And how can I bring that life back to me? I've made a lot of changes. I want that special part in which I didn't care about anything in the sense of having goals or having to do anything. I'm not talking about job. I need a job. I want, like sell my skills and be paid for it. But I'm talking about not having direction in life, just being there and having instead of direction or goals, having you know, I don't know how do you say in English, having things that you like and you devote time to the things you like. That's it. No goals, no direction, but spending time improving in the things you like. That's how I lived in the past. Yeah. And I suppose that a job comes as a consequence of that, I suppose. I don't know. But it's not, it shouldn't be. I need to really think hard on these new parts of my life in which I don't drink and don't smoke and I do exercise these days. I'm doing a lot of things different, but I need to bring back some good things I did have in the past. Like, I don't know, there were some good parts. that I need to rescue from the past, bring it back. What can we do here? I think I'm going to build more, define more loops, and erase those loops. I will start over here. What's that? I want that. How can you decrease like the width when you are defining loops? Well, okay, I suppose this is no, probably yes, no, probably E, no, probably G, no. I'm going to delete this three and delete the phrases and repeat the process over here. How can I select this more? Okay. And we are done. Look at this. Look at this beautiful planet. Pattern red. Pattern green. Oh my god, what's happening? Pattern blue. Red, green, blue. That will be 0000. Yes. Oh, pattern random. Here random because I'm just going to pick one color over here. What happened? All right. I was worried that we won't be able to select the thing. Let's make this green, red. 'm unable to select the thing. How does it looks like? Yeah, we need more colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 more. I think I will be making videos also in Spanish of these reflections. Perhaps the title for this video should be making reflections, some reflections. Yeah, while in Blender, so people don't get deceived trying to, you know, watch some Blender performance and see a guy. talking about his life for a long time. 10 minutes of talking with no leather. Come on, don't do that. So yeah, I will change. I can do whatever I want. Like it's my YouTube channel. But in order to not deceive people, instead entitled, make this video's title like reflecting on my life, reflection of my life like this song, while clicking while clicking on Blender. Which one should be this? There aren't many colors in here. Even if you think there are millions of colors, I can only see like big areas of green, a big area of blue, some violet over here, perhaps. I don't know why people is talking about millions of colors. Perhaps the eye can only see 100 of colors, maybe 50 colors. I don't know. I want, yes. Oh, all right. Yeah, yellow. Yeah. And the last one should be, if it will be this intense. Oh my God. This should be the yellow one. Oh my God, we need more. Another, we need another. Saturn random fix. Yeah, this like I wanted to do like a nebula, some kind of universe, but it's too computationally expensive. You saw the shader compiling that was going on. It was like a very slow, even 30 seconds. Imagine having these amazing worlds full of effects. It won't be feasible for this computer to do that. I think we are ready. Look at this, how beautiful this looks like. We need more lightning, but this is only a proof. The final one, it will have lightning. Where's the camera? Yeah, like this. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Going to go to post mode. Oh, so how does the brain come up with ideas? My these people of this Blender team is amazing. How do they come up with all of this? Lots of mathematics over here. It's like, hmm, 1 hour and a half. Oh my God, 64 p.m. But yeah, it was very good this session for me. Okay, we are using if, so it should be. Hmm. Mhm. I think this is it for this session. It would be cool if I made some camera transition, like a flying ship. So these characters and more speed, like kind of silly, but it's in this world is cool. Some more lights of more ships traveling, some lights. We'll see, you will see this later on YouTube in this channel, a little short video of 10 seconds. Well, thank you very much. Or can we do so you can see the entire thing? Well, how can we accomplish? Okay, we have the cursor over here. And we're going to add, you can do a lot with Blender, look at this. They can even teach physics, I suppose, or at least show some illustrations. When the people in high school, you need to love what you're doing if you are in the education business and teaching kids and even adults, showing it the world if they haven't, if they don't know how to. Look at this. You can even, I suppose, add some music over here. Let's focus on finish this thing. Why can't we do over here? Some curve, some. I don't remember, so I will use this. Then go to edit mode and click on this and rotate this thing so it can be a straight line. Where is it? Like this. Now, what can we do with this? And we add a modifier. Solidify. Let's try it. No, no. Nothing happened. Another one. Let's go over here. Um, full radius, path animation. Let's do it here. Okay, and we'll duplicate this. So we have now we can let's try solidify thickness. Nothing. I don't remember. Where is it? I'm going to delete this. I'm going to look for the answer. Blender solidify curve. Look at this. This field set the field of the curve trigonometry shape. That's that so. That's not quite right, you know. We tried solidify the way. Perhaps a cylinder. There is another. I remember. I have done this in the past. Okay, another duplication. Invert the mesh. Then solidify. It's the same. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember. Probably a cylinder. Yes. And then I will need to take a look at this. Well, I don't have time. Would like to pass to another activity, so I will use cylinders. With, I don't know, what? Okay. Now, how can I augment the speed of this thing? Okay, going to the. Perhaps there is a tweak over here, but I rely on another method, which is if this thing has travel. The rather goes quickly. Oh, this a world of this each one of these topics is like I don't know. I will rely on this method instead. It happens to us acceptable speed. Look at this. However, now we have the problem of they are linked. Okay, speed. What is the emission? What happened with the other? What happened to the other? Oh my God. Man, oh boy. I'm making a mess over here. I can't believe it. Okay, let's move update its position. Update its position. There should be another way. Okay, we have this. Okay, that's cool. Only with three. With three. I think I got it. Oh my gosh. Mm. Oh, 3 views. I'm going to render this thing. Oh my god, almost 5 o'clock. I think I will play the guitar now. After 2 days of play, but I will have 2 hours. But I won't record any video. Then, only after that, I will read the book for you. Read the book for you, the English book. And I suppose that will be for Saturday. And tomorrow, I don't know. Perhaps algorithms, I don't know. Okay, render animation. Um, it's frame 2 already. We have these things, I don't know what's happening. Perhaps the light. There should be the. Okay, I suppose in the final video this will be rather fast. A matter of 2 seconds. I don't know. This is going fast. Only 250 frames. Yeah. Thank you very much for tuning in. Oh, we have two concurrent viewers. Say hi. Oh, what's up, man? Who is? I don't know. Does this thing have the hour in which this was posted? Let's click over here. Go to channel, feed, report, mode, producer in dial, high user, has moderator. I don't know. I don't know if you are still here, but hello. Thanks for tuning in. Uh, it's not a big deal on this Blender, but thanks for stopping by. I I wish this has the hour in which it was posted so I can know if this person is still over here. But yeah, we are done for today after 2 hours and a half. Um, 7CL2, what's this? It is this person's name saying something? I don't know. I can't see any character running. Well, I suppose there is only one concurrent viewer, two concurrent viewers. I don't understand this. I am rather new on this thing. Was hey, hello, thanks for writing this comment. Perhaps this is a computer software writing by someone going to channels and posting somewhere something. That would be great. To motivate people in live sessions. Writing a program, find live sessions and post a comment. I will a great computer software. So the people in live session will say, "Oh, there is someone interested in what I'm doing." That's how computer software can elevate, make happy other people. Let's see. This thing rendering, yeah, yeah, it's too much. I don't want for you to spend your time watching this thing rendering. That's the idea. In my mind, there were some likes, like even if you saw Tron Legacy, there were lots of likes going on. I wanted to make the effect of having long lines is instead. Look at this, a long line over here, and then some brightness, some shiny thing inside the line, in the past for a moment. And then another one, like leaving behind some traces of the speed of the journey they are of the journey. And this the camera is static, but like in a well-funded project, the camera should be moving, and this lady moving its head. This character, sorry, moving its head with the camera, following the camera, saying goodbye. But yeah, I don't want for you to spend more time. Okay, I'm done with this session. I will only wait to, for this finish and then publish this video. Some people recommend publishing videos on Mondays because on weekends I don't know if how many people are. People are busy, like having fun. So I don't know. I am having fun over here, but I will publish this today. I'm gonna wait until Monday. Thank you very much. And thank you to these persons that stopped by over here. 3 views. That's an outstanding successful for 2 hours. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye.